What is computer? Question number 1. What is computer? Answer. Computer is an electronic device which is developed by Charles Babbage nearby 19th century. It takes input data from input device, storage and process it and process output. This is the definition of computer. Question number 2. What are the 6 main components of a computer? 6 main component of computer is storage unit, control unit, input unit, output unit, arithmetic and logic unit, short form is ALU, and last one is central processing unit, short form is CPU. This is the 6 main component of a computer. Next, question number 3. What are the 3 component of CPU? Answer. 3 component of CPU is memory unit, control unit and arithmetic and logic unit. These are the 3 component of CPU: memory unit, control unit and arithmetic and logic unit. Question number 4. 10 uses of computer. Application of computer and uses of computer: education and research, computer use school, college and university, online shopping and banking, online trading, computer programming, business and communication, entertainment, social networking like Facebook, Instagram, paying bill and EMI, accounting. These are the 10 uses of computer. Advantage of computer. Answer. Speed, accuracy, storage human data, storage huge amount of data, online trading, online education and distance learning, research, forecasting weather and predictive art week. This is the advantage of a computer. Disadvantage of a computer system. Disadvantage of computer system. Answer. Health issue, spread of pornography, virus and hacking attack. Computer cannot take his own decision. Negative effect on environment, crash network. Computer cannot work itself. This is the disadvantage of a computer. What is the primary memory? Question number 7. What is the primary memory? Answer. Primary memory, also known as a main memory, computer that hold data, program instruction that currently used. Primary storage is located on the motherboard. What is the memory device type? What is memory device types? Answer. There are mainly 2 types of semiconductor memory: RAM and ROM, random access memory and read-only memory. Question number 9. What is RAM in computer? What is RAM in computer? Answer. RAM stand for random access memory. Sometimes it's called PC memory. PC means personal computer or just memory. It essence RAM is your computer or laptop short term memory. It's where the data is stored that your computer processor needs to run your applications and open your files. This is the definition of RAM. Next, what is ROM in a computer? Answer. ROM stand for read only memory, the memory from which we can only read and write. What are the 5 components of motherboard? What are the 5 components of motherboard? Answer. 5 component motherboard which are given below: mouse and keyboard connector, USB, parallel port, CPU chip, and RAM slot. This is the main 5 component of a motherboard. What are the 16 part of motherboard? This is the USB, parallel port, CPU chips, RAM slot, ID control, PCI slot, ISS slot, CMS battery, AGP slot, CPU slot, power supply plug-in, BIOS, FDC, floppy disk controller, IO port, heatsink. These are the different types of part of a motherboard. Twelve number. What are the hardware component of computer? What are the hardware component of computer? There are various hardware components of a computer system which are given below: mouse, keyboard, monitor, motherboard, CPU, central processing unit, memory, RAM memory, random access memory, ROM, read-only memory, hard disk drive, optical drive, IO system, power supply, external port, CPU fan, sound card, video display controller. These are the hardware components.